Samsung Galaxy phone forgot password. Let's factory reset. Step 1. Turn off your phone. Press and hold the power button. Tap power off to shut down your device. If prompted for a password and you can't provide it, wait for the battery to drain completely, then charge the device. Step 2. Enter recovery mode for devices without a home or Bixby button. Press and hold the volume up and power buttons simultaneously. For devices with a Bixby button, press and hold the volume up, Bixby, and power buttons simultaneously. For devices with a home button, press and hold the volume up, home and power buttons simultaneously. Release all buttons when the Samsung logo appears. Step 3. Navigate the recovery menu. Use the volume down button to highlight Wipe Data Factory Reset. Press the power button to select it. Highlight Yes and press the power button to confirm. Step 4. Reboot the device. Once the reset is complete, Reboot System Now will be highlighted. Press the power button to restart your phone.